Let's start the case unboxing with a repeat, as this set has two of them. Porsche 911 Turbo is probably one of the few repeats no collector can be upset about, featuring Cyberpunk 2077. Was released in 2022, and this is a turbocharged high-performance version of the 911, also known as the 930. The livery of the casting is an exact replica of the model from the video game, driven by Keanu Reeves' character. While the video game might not have had such a huge success, the Hot Wheels casting definitely does, and the first release was hoarded from the stores, going for some high prices these days. Well, high prices until this release, where it might drop a little. Very interesting what designers have done with this model, as it has two more special ones, an annual Collector's Nationals and the Mattel Creations Arsham releases. I have none of those, but I do own the yellow version from the Boulevard last year, stock color, but still looking very good. I could not get it the first time, but I will keep it in the collection this time around, and this set comes with 3 of them. The first premiere of the set, taken from the success of the movie Top Gun Maverick, the Boeing Super Hornet, and I wonder how many collectors are fans of planes and fighter aircrafts here. Pop culture is about theme and subject based on products we know, meaning we will not only have regular cars, but different type of castings, not actually having to be real. Top Gun movie was great, and this casting is the one flown by Captain Mitchell, aka Maverick, played by Tom Cruise. The movie was a success, but I'm not too sure about this plane. Although I enjoy it, it has all the details from the movie on it, it even has a base to display it on, but some collectors might be turned off if they only focus on cars. In real life, the plane is operated by the US Navy, and I can already see other people trying to get this one and not only Hot Wheels collectors. The case comes with 2 of them out of 10, so you will see going forward we have 2 full sets and 2 extras. The second repeat, but it might also act as a premiere, Action Comics #1 Action Sedan, was first seen at the San Diego Comic-Con as an exclusive in 2018. It features the first appearance of Superman, one of the most known DC heroes, and is on the cover of the #1 comic book magazine of the Action Comics series. I don't know how Hot Wheels designers came up with this idea, but it's actually very interesting they do it, as we can never know what favorite casting might be brought to life from one of our favorite shows. The sedan is looking amazing, simple green color, but the red interior is nice and those white tires are something special, and it has more details compared to the Comic-Con version on the body with the black comic book lines and cartoony touches. Obviously it's a work of fiction, but it looks like one of the Fords from the 1930s. The case has 2 of them inside, and I kind of wish this was one of the extras. The last casting of the set is a premiere only in the premium series, Batman Forever Batmobile, as it has been released in the mainlines last year and it has been a regular treasure hunt this year. Most of us remember the movie and it wasn't that great. Batman was played by a different actor, not by Michael Keaton anymore, but no matter how bad the Batman movie is, the Batmobile is always interesting. The Hot Wheels version is very good, way better than the basic version, with all the details of a premium series and that huge wing on top. It's a Batmobile, you can't go wrong with it. It will be liked by kids, adult collectors and Batman collectors all together. Another set where we have a face-off between Batman and Superman, 2 of the most known DC characters of all time. The case comes with 3 Batmobile, and we know the second extra now. If you made it until the end, you are one of the few, and I thank you for that. There are more case unboxing videos on my channel if you enjoy this type of content. Subscribe to see more Hot Wheels content in the future. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.